Hey, English learners, I'm Jenna.
And I'm Jake. Today's episode is a role play again, this time English for shopping at a supermarket.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to ask where things are, ask about prices, ask for help finding something, and pay at the checkout.
You'll also learn some really natural, polite phrases that native speakers use all the time in shops.
So listen carefully to this role play first, then practice speaking with Rachel afterwards.
Let's set the scene. I'll be working at the supermarket today, and Jenna is going to be shopping. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to Green Basket Supermarket. Can I help you find anything today?
Hi, yes, actually. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Of course. The milk is in aisle 3, just past the bread section.
Thank you so much. Oh, one more thing. Do you have any low-fat milk?
Yes, we do. It's on the bottom shelf, right next to the regular milk.
Perfect. Thank you. Excuse me again, sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread?
Let me check for you. That one is $1.50.
Great. I'll take 2 of those then.
No problem. Anything else I can help you find?
Actually, yes. I'm looking for olive oil, but I can't find it anywhere.
It's actually in aisle 6 with the other cooking oils. I can show you if you'd like.
Oh, that would be really helpful. Thank you.
No problem at all. Right this way. Here you go. We have a few different brands.
Perfect. I'll just take this one. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Are you ready to check out, or do you need anything else?
I think that's everything for today.
Great. The checkout is just over there, to your left.
Thank you. Hi, I'm ready to pay.
Sure. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. Your staff were really helpful.
That's great to hear. Okay, that comes to $15.20. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. You can tap right here. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Cut. That's the scene. Okay, Jenna, let's break that down a little.
Sure. So one thing I used a lot was, excuse me, where can I find? That's such a useful way to ask for directions in a shop.
Right, and it works for literally anything. Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the sugar?
Exactly. You just changed the last word. I also said, sorry to bother you, before asking a question.
That's such a nice, polite touch. It shows you're being considerate of the other person's time.
Definitely. And when I asked about the price, I said, how much is this? Which is probably the most common phrase for asking prices.
Right, simple and direct, but still polite. I also noticed you said that would be really helpful when I offered to show you where something was.
Yes, that's a nice way to accept help politely instead of just saying okay or yes.
True, it sounds warmer, more grateful. And at the checkout, you used I'm ready to pay, which is a really natural way to start that conversation.
Exactly. And then it's just simple answers after that. Cash or card, and yes please for the receipt.
All right, so quick recap. Excuse me, where can I find for directions? How much is this for prices? And I'm ready to pay at the checkout.
Perfect summary. All right, tell us in the comments what's something you often need help finding at the supermarket.
Okay, now let's move into speaking practice with Rachel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Speaking Practice with Rachel. Here's something important. Learning these phrases only really works if you actually say them out loud with me. Just reading or listening isn't enough. Your mouth needs to practice the words too. So stay with me until the end and speak every single phrase. That's how it actually sticks in your memory. Today, we're picking up some useful phrases from shopping at a supermarket. Here's how this works. For each one, first say it out loud together with me, slowly. Then repeat after me, 3 times with normal speed. Ready? Let's start. First, excuse me, where can I find? Excuse me, where can I find? We use this to politely ask for directions to something in a shop. For example, excuse me, where can I find the milk? Try saying it with me. Slowly first. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Again. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? One more time. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Next, sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. We say this before asking a question to be extra polite and show we respect the other person's time. For example, sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread? Try saying it with me, slowly first. Sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread? Repeat after me. Sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread? Again. Sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread? One more time. Sorry to bother you, but how much is this bread? Next, how much is this? How much is this? We use this to ask the price of something. It's one of the most common shopping phrases in English. For example, how much is this bread? Try saying it with me, slowly first. How much is this bread? Repeat after me. How much is this bread? Again. How much is this bread? One more time. How much is this bread? Next, that would be really helpful. That would be really helpful. We use this to politely accept help when someone offers to do something for us. For example, could you show me? That would be really helpful. Try saying it with me, slowly first. That would be really helpful. Repeat after me. That would be really helpful. Again. That would be really helpful. One more time. That would be really helpful. And finally, I'm ready to pay. I'm ready to pay. We use this at the checkout to let the cashier know you'd like to pay now. For example, hi, I'm ready to pay. Try saying it with me, slowly first. I'm ready to pay. Repeat after me. I'm ready to pay. Again, I'm ready to pay. One more time. I'm ready to pay. Okay, that's 5 useful phrases for shopping politely in English. Now here's your challenge. In the comments, write your own shopping question using one of today's phrases. For example, excuse me, where can I find the sugar? Sorry to bother you. We'll be reading your comments, so don't be shy. Thanks for practicing with me. And if you enjoyed this episode, check out the video on your screen right now for another useful lesson. See you there!